With the Election Commission setting stage for the forthcoming Rajya Sabha polls, Meghalaya Chief Electoral Officer CEO BDR Tiwari on Friday chaired an all-party meeting to review preparedness and apprise political stakeholders of the election schedule and procedural framework. Addressing the media persons following the meeting, BDR Tiwari asserted that the state election machinery is fully geared up to ensure the smooth and seamless conduct of the Rajya Sabha election in the state. According to the poll schedule, the notification process will effectively begin with the filing of nominations from 1st of June 2026, while 8th June has been earmarked as a last date for submission of nomination papers by aspiring candidates. The scrutiny of nomination papers is slated for 9th June, followed by the deadline for withdrawal of candidature on 11th June 2026. Tiwari further informed that polling, if necessitated, will be held on 18th June from 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. The counting of votes will commence on the same day at 5 p.m. shortly after the conclusion of the polling process.
We had a meeting with the political parties with respect to the conduct of biennial Rajya Sabha election in the state of Meghalaya. As the present tenure of Honorable MP Rajya Sabha is going to be end by 21st of June. So election have to be held by latest by the 20th of this June. So as per schedule prescribed by Honorable Commission of India, the notification for this vacancy or conduct of the election will be on the 1st June 2026 on Monday, and last date of making nomination is 8th June. Scrutiny of nomination will held on the 9th of June, and last date for withdrawal of candidates is 11th June 26. Date of poll is fixed on the 18th June, and from 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. on 18th June. So counting of votes will be on the same day on 18th at 5 p.m. onward, and the date to be, the process to be completed is before 20th June 2026. So accordingly, we have briefed the detailed process in respect to the conduct of biennial election. Morning we had a visit of the venue along with the officials from Meghalaya Legislative Assembly, and the venue, everything has already been visited and it found satisfactory as per the norm, schedule, everything, layout, etc. been provided by Honorable Election Commission of India. So we briefed the entire process to the political parties regarding filing of nomination, including submission of Form 2C, affidavit in Form 26, security deposit, oath or affirmation, Form A and Form BB in case of party candidate, including the provision related with the Form C1 to C8. So these are the mandatory things. The voter list is also being prepared by the Assembly. So special emphasis we have laid on the provision relating to the publicity of the criminal antecedents by the candidate and the political parties in compliance with the direction of Honorable Supreme Court and instruction issued by Honorable Election Commission of India. The system of election under the proportional representation by means of single transferable vote and the procedure for open ballot voting under the Representation of People Act 1951 is also been briefed to the political parties, and they were informed that the member belonging to political party are required to show their marked ballot paper only to the authorized agent of their own political party and not to any other party agent on the day of poll. Independent MLAs are prohibited from showing their ballot paper to any agent. Further, the participants, we briefed them on the method of recording preferences, validity of ballot papers, and the procedure for counting of vote and ascertainment of the quota. So we had a good interaction, and all the queries related to the biennial election of the Rajya Sabha already been briefed. So we would like to bring this entire schedule to kind information of general people through the media. So, and our preparation is, we are fully ready for the conduct of biennial election of Rajya Sabha in the state of Meghalaya. The Honorable Election Commission of India will announce the schedule, then only it will happen.
So the machinery is ready. Election machinery is ready.
Election machinery is always ready.
No update of rolls, nothing much.
Role already, since SIR schedule is already been announced for the state of Meghalaya, we are ready for the SIR in the state.